Welcome back to Adventure 4x4 Garage. Introducing the 2025 BYD SEALIon 7, an electric sedan that seamlessly blends performance, luxury, and cutting-edge technology. Let's delve into what makes this vehicle a standout in the EV market. Cut to close-up shots of the car's exterior. The SEALIon 7's exterior is a testament to modern automotive design. Its streamlined silhouette is accentuated by sharp character lines that flow from the front to the rear, enhancing its aerodynamic efficiency. The front fascia boasts a distinctive grille flanked by sleek LED headlights, giving the car a commanding presence on the road. The sloping roof line merges into a sculpted rear, where LED taillights span the width of the vehicle, emphasizing its wide stance. Available in a palette of sophisticated colors, including Cosmos Black and Aurora White, the SEALIon 7 offers a hue to match every discerning taste. Transition to performance footage, the SEALIon 7 accelerating on an open road. Beneath its elegant exterior lies a powerhouse of performance. The SEALIon 7 is built on BYD's advanced E-Platform 3.0 EVO, featuring a 12-inch -1 electric drive system that integrates seamlessly for optimal efficiency. In its entry-level configuration, the vehicle delivers 308 horsepower, propelling it from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 6.7 seconds. For those seeking an extra thrill, the dual-motor performance variant boasts an impressive 523 horsepower, achieving the same sprint in a mere 4.5 seconds. The rear electric motor, capable of spinning up to 23,000 revolutions per minute, ensures a responsive and exhilarating driving experience. Additionally, the SEALIon 7's adaptive suspension system, known as the SUS-C, intelligently adjusts to road conditions, providing a balanced ride between comfort and agility. Cut to interior shots. The cabin's luxurious features. Step inside the SEALIon 7, and you're greeted by a cabin that exudes luxury and technological sophistication. Premium Napa leather upholstery envelops the seats, offering both comfort and elegance. Ambient lighting sets the mood, while the expansive panoramic sunroof floods the interior with natural light, enhancing the sense of space. At the heart of the dashboard lies a 15.6-inch rotating touchscreen infotainment system, providing intuitive access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. For the tech-savvy, dual wireless charging pads ensure your devices remain powered throughout your journey. The inclusion of a 50-inch augmented reality head-up display, or HUD, projects vital information onto the windshield, allowing drivers to stay informed without diverting their attention from the road. Transition to shots highlighting safety features. Safety remains paramount in the SEALIon 7. Equipped with the D-Pilot 100 advanced driver assistance system, the vehicle utilizes an array of ultrasonic sensors, millimeter-wave radars, and OmniView cameras to provide comprehensive awareness of its surroundings. Features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking work in concert to enhance driver confidence and occupant protection. Cut to pricing information displayed on screen. When it comes to pricing, the SEALIon 7 positions itself competitively within the electric sedan segment. In the United Kingdom, the base model starts at £46,990, with the top-tier performance variant priced at £58,990. In India, the premium model begins at a superscript 148.90 lakh, while the performance version is available for a superscript 154.90 lakh. These figures reflect the SEALIon 7's commitment to delivering value without compromising on quality or performance. Closing shot, the SEALIon 7 driving off into the horizon. In summary, the 2025 BYD SEALIon 7 stands as a compelling choice for those seeking an electric sedan that harmoniously combines style, power, and innovation. Its thoughtful design, robust performance capabilities, luxurious interior, and comprehensive safety features make it a noteworthy contender in the evolving landscape of electric vehicles. End of video.